How to borrow on a OnePay account. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to borrow on your OnePay account. First, open or launch the OnePay mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app, where you can view your debit card status, your cash balance, and your savings balance all in one place. On this page, you are on the OnePay home tab, where options like add money and move money sit right below your balance. Next, scroll down past the $50 setup bonus banner and the credit score tile until you reach the Discover More section. This area highlights extra features tied to your account, including OnePay Cash Plus, Credit Builder, and global transfers. Go ahead and tap on Credit Builder, since this is the feature that lets you build credit while unlocking borrowing benefits. Here, you are on the Credit Builder page, which explains that you can build credit by saving just $1 a month. Right below that, you will notice a note letting you know that Credit Builder and other borrowing benefits are unlocked through OnePay Cash Plus. To qualify, you need at least $500 a month in direct deposit, or a total balance of $5,000 or more by the end of the month. If you have not set this up yet, tap on Add Direct Deposit to begin the process of meeting that requirement. Once your account qualifies, OnePay Cash Plus unlocks, giving you access to Credit Builder and other borrowing-related perks. Thanks! I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to borrow on your OnePay account. That is, how to borrow on a OnePay account.